Let's count in base 2. Which digit do we use to count in base 2 for all the base 2 counting system? We use digits 0 and 1. Let's start. 0 being the smallest, base 2, 1, base 2. Now that's all for 1-digit numbers in this counting system. We move on to 2-digit numbers. We start with 1, then we combine it with these numbers all over again. So we have 1, 0, base 2. Okay? Again, we still have 1, 1, base 2. Is there any other 2-digit number we can form using 0 and 1? No. We move on to 3-digit numbers. And where do we start from? We start with 1, 0, 0 to make it 3 digits, base 2. Then we'll take these large digits and keep changing this till we exhaust the 1, 1 digits we have here. And here we'll be having 1, 0, 1, base 2. Is there any other digits to put here? No. So we'll move on to the second digit. So we have 1, 1, 0, base 2. Okay. We'll have 1, 1, 1, base 2. For the second digit, we've exhausted the all 2 digits we can possibly use to combine numbers in the base 2 counting system. So move on to 4-digit numbers. 1, 0, 0, 0, base 2. We start with the last digit. 1, 0, 0, 1, base 2. Okay. The next one, we have 1, 0, 1, 0, base 2. The second digit will be the one changing, since there is no other digit to combine together with the last digit we have here. Here we'll have 1, 0, 1, 1, base 2. Okay, and we move on. 1, 1, 0, 0, base 2. And we keep counting like that for 4-digit numbers, 5-digit numbers, 6-digit numbers in this base 2 counting system till infinity. Thank you.